Across history, certain machines have transformed the way we live. Cars, airplanes, and yes, even tractors. Today, you'll discover the story of one tractor that powered dreams in 5 continents, under 5 names, and changed farming forever. This is the story of the legendary General GG, a machine that went far beyond borders and became a trusted companion for farmers around the world. In the early 1980s, as the world advanced rapidly, agriculture needed a revolution of its own. In Germany, engineers at Agrotech envisioned a tractor that was strong, simple, and accessible for farmers of all scales. After 2 years of development, in 1982, General GG was born. The name stood for Ground Gainer, and gain ground it did. With a 55 horsepower diesel engine, a robust chassis, and minimalistic design, it quickly became a favorite across European farmlands. Word spread fast. Soon, countries around the globe wanted their own version of this powerhouse. With slight modifications, General GG launched under 5 brands worldwide: Relied General, Pakistan; Bharat Tractor, India; Al-Fala Machinery, Middle East; AgroMaster, Africa; Farm Pro, GG, Europe. Each model was customized for local conditions, from stronger cooling systems in hot climates to reinforced tires for sandy terrain. This single tractor adapted to countless landscapes and became an agricultural workhorse everywhere. Beyond names, it was General GG's engineering that won hearts. The 55 horsepower engine delivered maximum torque with minimal fuel use. Repairs were straightforward, spare parts were accessible, and its balanced frame handled mud, mountains, or plains with ease. From Pakistani sugarcane, Indian rice paddies, African maize, to European wheat, it performed tirelessly, earning its place as the farmer's most dependable tool. Beyond machinery, General GG built livelihoods. In Punjab, Pakistan, Mohammed Bakhsh's Zarai General still runs today. In Rajasthan, India, Ramlal's Bharat Tractor helped fund his daughter's education. In Kenya, Joseph expanded his farm with AgroMaster. And in France, William tripled his harvests with Farm Pro GG. Across continents, General GG became more than metal. It became a symbol of hope, hard work, and progress, passed from generation to generation. Today, newer machines dominate farms. Yet, in countless villages and fields, General GG tractors still run strong. Farmers tell their children, "This tractor built our land and our dreams." General GG wasn't just a machine, it was a legacy that bridged continents and stood the test of time. Thank you for watching this remarkable story. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring stories that shaped our world.